Good evening. We're here at the French restaurant Montmartre here in Cartagena, and we're about to enjoy a well-deserved French dinner.
One of my favorites.
One of Jeanne's favorites for sure. And it's just a real cute restaurant here. And the food will come out and we'll do a little review of this for you.
And Valerie.
And over there is Valerie, the owner of this fine restaurant. And we'll have you talk to her in a little while. Go ahead and try it.
This is absolutely
cheese pastry
delicious.
Appetizer.
It's puff pastry with a brie cheese inside and some roasted walnuts with a nice salad with vinaigrette on it. Taste it. So delicate, but so delicious at the same time.
Let's see. It's like an explosion going out off in my mouth. There's an awful lot going on here. So the French onion soup came and it looks delicious. Jeanne, what do you think?
It's very good.
Have you tried it yet?
The onions are very sweet.
I'm gonna give it a shot right now. Let's see what we got here. I have to do this one-handed, so.
Harry, you want me to hold it?
Sure, why not? That's a great idea. Oh my God. This might be the best French onion soup I've ever had. It's so rich and dense and thick and delicious.
Buttery and
sweet, right. Oh, really, really good. Okay, so the main courses came. I got the duck.
Did you get the breast of duck?
Yes, breast of duck with vegetable ratatouille and ratatouille. Thank you. And some pureed sweet potato, and I'm not sure what this is. And Jeanne got.
I got potatoes au gratin and a filet mignon. And I suppose this
That's
is
the
like
béarnaise sauce.
Oh, I got béarnaise sauce. I was thinking it was a mustard sauce, but even béarnaise is my favorite.
So we'll have to dig in and see how this is. Here, hold on a second.
John's going to take his first bite.
Of pink duck. Oh. It's crispy. It's so delicious. Oh my God. This duck is so good. Everything I could have hoped for and more.
Well, you were kind of having your duck withdrawals because when we went to the Thai restaurant, you wanted to get the crispy duck, and they didn't have it. So now you got your duck. All
right, let's see what Jeanne's got going with her filet mignon.
Nice, medium rare. Perfect.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to cut the perfect bite.
And dip it. Good.
Very tender and delicious.
Nice. Two thumbs way up. Well, there was no Crème Marnier here for Crème Marnier for Jeanne's dessert. I'm having Creme Brulee, but she's gonna try this. Not sure what it is, but she's gonna give it a try.
It's some French cognac. We'll see. We'll see if it holds up. Crème Marnier is like my favorite of all favorites. But gracias.
Can I clean this?
Yes.
Cheers.
need to take off.
You gonna try it? He's waiting.
It smells sweeter in the bottle. Ooh, that has a. It definitely got to my nose. It's not Crème Brulee, but it's drinkable, I guess.
I'll take a smell.
It's alcohol.
Yeah, Armagnac.
No.
Right? Armagnac?
To me,
It's what? Cognac?
cognac.
Cognac. Okay.
To me, it tastes like bourbon.
No, no, no. Far from that.
No.
All right.
Here's the creme brulee that we ordered for dessert. Looks delicious. It's like one of my favorite desserts of all time. And John is going to take the first bite. Look at that, the crust on there.
It's like an ice skating rink.
He can't even break through it. Put a little more muscle into it. There you go. And let's see. What do you think?
It's warm.
Oh.
It's delicious. Lots of orange flavor in it. Really, really good.
And-
Cointreau.
And what is that on top there? Is
Let's see.
is that like a piece of orange slice
Let's
that they
find
put
out.
on top?
It almost tastes like grapefruit, to tell you the truth.
Could be. It does have a.
I will let you.
blonde color
I will
to
let
it.
you grab now and give it a shot.
Well, I'll try the fruit first to cleanse my palate. Well, if it is grapefruit, it definitely is a sweet grapefruit because it doesn't have, a strong flavor to it. And I wouldn't doubt that they put that on there to cleanse your palate prior to tasting the creme brulee. Oh, now I'll dive into deliciousness. Caramel.
YouTube's gonna flag this whole thing anyway.
Caramel
with
is
the background music.
is my favorite. Mmm. That is so good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Highly recommend. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
This whole restaurant.
Yes.
2 thumbs up.
If you come to Cartagena, you cannot miss out on this restaurant. We stumbled across it the other night coming back from dinner, and I think, John, you're the one that pointed it out.
Right.
Look, there's a French restaurant.
Yeah.
And we looked at the menu, and we were sold right off the bat.
Okay, amigos. We see you on YouTube. These are the 2 chefs. And which one's from Venezuela, which is from Colombia?
Venezuela.
Venezuela, Colombia. Okay.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Freddy.
Freddie? Santos. Really, really good, fellas. Thank you so much.
Delicioso.
We see you out on YouTube. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Andres.
See you.
See you.
Adios. Oh, where's my mask?
So, if you're in Cartagena and you want French food, you come here. That's for sure. You like it?
Yeah.
We just finished our dinner there. It was great. Very, very good. You come here and you will really, really like it.